Hello everyone, this is Ed from TechRange. So today we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a very popular web design or web application, or rather it is a graphic design platform that allows user or anyone to create social media graphics either for Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. So it is very popular among YouTubers since it allows you to create a YouTube thumbnail easy without coding or understanding Photoshop and other related skills. So before we jump into the Canva website, so we have to prepare the things that we are going to use for the thumbnail. So I have prepared here the different raw materials that I am going to use for this thumbnail. So by the way guys, I'm going to create a thumbnail for this video tutorial. So let me show you my raw materials that I have prepared. Okay, so I prepared a Canva logo, my tech range icon or my tech range logo, and of course, my YouTube logo. So these are the three things that I will need later on when I created my YouTube thumbnail. So by the way guys, just a little reminder that whenever you are using or later on if you're going to import pictures or photos to Canva, make it sure that it is in PNG format. Okay, so if you can see when I hover my mouse or my cursor on the Canva logo, you can see the details that pop up. So item type is PNG file. Okay, same with the other two. Okay, so PNG means portable network graphics. So it is an ideal photo file that we can use whenever we are creating our thumbnail. It's because if it is in PNG file, the background will be transparent. So later on, if we put it or include it into our thumbnail, so we don't need to worry about the background because Canva will not allow you to make a transparent canvas. So make it sure that before you import it, your, your background is already transparent by saving it as a PNG file. Okay, so let's jump into the website. Just go to your browser. Okay, so this is now the Canva uh, login page. So just go to the canva.com/login. Okay, so for this one, it will allow you to sign up or log in. Login, of course, if you already have an existing account, and then sign up if you don't have yet. So I think most of you don't have that account. That's why you are here in this video. So just sign up. Yes, it will allow you to sign up using three choices. It can be using your Google account, using your Facebook account, or using your email. Okay, so if you have your Facebook account, it will be easier for you to log in using your Facebook. Just click it in, and then it will prompt you to log into your Facebook, and then that's it. Okay, so for now, I will going to sign in since I already have my account. I am going to log in using my email. Okay, so just type in your email. So this way, I already have saved my email and then my password. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, so this will now be the homepage of the Canva once you were able to log in. Okay, so here you can try to search for any type of graphic design that you would like to make. Say, for example, presentation, you can create a Facebook post, a poster, Facebook cover, Instagram, animated social media, Facebook video, poster, and anything that you can think of. So Canva is very helpful and very useful for those type of tasks. Even logo, you can create logo by this one. Since we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail, we can search in for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, here. So just click in here and then it will give you different ready-made templates. So that is one thing good in Canva. It has many ready-made templates that you can just edit easily, and then just download it. If you don't need to worry for design, you don't need to worry about skills and able to create a good modern design, slick looking thumbnail. So just go to Canva and it will bring you a lot of options with modern design. Okay, So let's start, of course, with blank. Okay, so I didn't choose a, a, a template because later on I can choose it later on here in this panel. Okay, so when I chose blank, okay, so here it will bring you to the editing page. Okay, so on our very left, or in the leftmost, in our leftmost panel, we have the tab. So we have the templates, photos, elements, and later on I will show you how to use this. And then here, since we are on the tab of templates, so these are the templates that we can use readily and just edit it in creating our thumbnail. So since we have a YouTube, we want to create a YouTube thumbnail, just search in YouTube thumbnail. And it will bring you a lot of options. So it can be a music YouTube thumbnail, it can be a food YouTube thumbnail, it can be a beauty, and anything that you would like. Okay. Alright, so let's choose a ready-made template. So we can just edit. So since this video is about creating a thumbnail, so let's make this one. Okay, I want this one, so just click it and it will load to your editing page. Alright. Okay, so you can minimize or can close this panel by clicking that, or bring it back by clicking the same tab. Okay, so just let hide it here. So let's edit the text according to how we want it to be edited. So let's create. Okay, click this one also. Let's edit this. YouTube thumbnail. Using CANVA. Alright, so I've edited the text. So you can move also this object or this element to your left or to right, anything that you want. It is just like you are using a Word document or MS Word document. Okay, so if you can notice, when I move with this element, everything moves. So create easy YouTube thumbnail, it moves along with the blue background box. Okay, so we can edit this by using the tool here above. So if you can move the object altogether, it means that it is in group. So you need to ungroup it. Okay, so we have here on top is the ungroup tab. So just click it. And then if you can notice, we can, right? So if you notice, we can select one of the element at a time. So we can select this one without selecting the YouTube thumbnail and the background. We can select only the background without selecting the two text. Alright, so this means it is already in group. So we can move them one by one. Alright, so you can move them one by as in a way that how you want it to be. That way, I don't need to, so I just need to ungroup it to make more space in between. Okay, and okay, expand this box, right? Let's expand it. As you can see, if whenever I'm moving this box, so there is a purple line. It means that your object is already at the center. So moving up and moving down, okay, you can see that it has a line vertically and horizontally. It means that you have reached the center of this thumbnail. Okay, so same as one. Let's put it here. Anyway, this way. And this one. Alright. Okay. So after that, so let's go back here. So this is the thumbnail tab again. Let's go to photos. Alright, so for the photos tab, so you can have here different photos that you can use. So by the way guys, the use of Canva is for free, but just like any other website or web application, there is a pro version that you have to pay. Okay, so there is a certain fee if you want to pay for the pro. It means it's a plan in which you can use all the pro elements or any premium elements that they have freely. Okay, so unlimited use. But there is also another option here in Canva in which if you don't want to avail their pro plan and you only use Canva seldomly, maybe once a week or maybe once a month, so it's not ideal to buy the plan. So you can, let's say for example I want to use this picture or to change the background, so we can drag it here. Okay, but unfortunately, as you can see, there is a grid line on this photo. It means that it is a premium photo. So whenever, if I will going to download it later on, so there will be a watermark with a grid line and the watermark Canva here, so it's not a good thing to use. So if I really want to use this, of course, so I need to pay for this. Usually this picture costs $1. So when upon checkout, so when you download it here later on, so it will prompt you to pay for the material or the premium element that you have used. So if you're going to use this one also, this picture also, and then put it here, so I need to pay $1, another dollar, so it will be $2. Okay. So if you are saving, of course, you don't need or you don't want to pay for the premium, just choose the free photos. Okay, so anyway, for this one, if you want to delete this, so you can just delete this photo. All right. So you here when you hover on the pictures, you can see that there's a pro and there's a free. So you can use this picture as free if you want to change the background. All right. So since I don't want to change the background, I'm okay with the background. So that's enough. Okay, so let's go to the elements tab. Okay, here the elements you can add different object or different graphics or any element that you would like to create, enable to increase or enhance your thumbnail. Okay, so in this case, let's add this. Okay, so you have here, by the way, your featured, you have the coronavirus, growth shapes, frames, and you can have the stickers. Okay, you can include stickers here, but take note, guys. Okay, later on, if you're going to download it as a JPEG or PNG file, okay, it will not be moving anymore because those photo file doesn't allow moving object or stickers to be there. Okay, so it will be there, but though it will not be moving like this. So it's just like a stagnant or a stable picture. If you want to have a picture which is moving, you can save it as a GIF or the GIF. Okay, this the GIF is the same with how we are sending in Messenger or in other um, messaging app, just like emojis that are moving. Okay, but anyway, even if you save it as a GIF, YouTube doesn't support a GIF thumbnail. It's only JPEG or PNG or other similar photo file. So never mind to use stickers. Just delete it. You can include charts, and we are going to use gradients. Okay, there are a lot more elements that you can add, as long as it enhances the appearance of your thumbnail. And take note, it is consistent with the design. Okay, so let's choose some from the gradients. Okay, so uh, so for here, I will choose some gradients. So maybe I would like to have this is free, so I can move it here. Just drag and drop as easy as that. Okay, so for here, I would like to place this object or this element at the back of this blue background box. So I'm able to do it. What I'm going to do is go here to the position, and then I have to move it backward. Alright, one click for backward. It doesn't go backward yet, but it moves one layer down on the YouTube text. So position it again. Okay, we have to click it. Position it again. backward, and that's it. It's already at the back. Okay, I want to include one more. This one is nice also on this part. All right, so one at the back, one at in front, so that will be enough. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to go back to the other options of your just since just put this cross and it will load the different options for the elements. You can use as many as you can, but do not overcrowd your thumbnail. So let's proceed to the text. If you want to add more text, okay, you can choose ready-made text designs here. Okay, so this is very great because these text fonts are very modern. This is a very slick looking. Okay, let's choose. Oh, this one. I want this one. Let's place it here. Okay, let's wait for it. Yeah, right there. It looks ready. Okay, I only want this upper part, the congrats here. I don't need this part. Okay, so remember our ungrouping a while ago. So we have to place it here. It is in group. Okay, that's why whenever I choose it, it even chooses one. So let's ungroup it. So I can delete Michael Dale, right? I can delete Michael Dale and retain the word congrats. Because, alright, just like that. As easy as that. Okay, I will edit it. Beginner. Okay, so that's fantastic. Okay, so you can choose as many fonts as you want or fonts that you like. Now, for the upload tab, this is where you are going to upload the items or our raw materials that we have prepared before. Okay, so for here, I already uploaded here, but if you want to upload, just click in here, upload an image or video, and then that's it. Okay, so what I already uploaded it here, so I will choose this logo, Canva. You can drag and drop here. Alright, see, this is the one thing important here. So when I put it here, though it already has a invisible background. So the background is no longer here. Because if we have saved it as a JPEG, so it will have a white background and it doesn't look good in your thumbnail. That's why I mentioned a while ago that you have to save it as a PNG file. So maybe I can create a video on how to create a PNG format file. Okay, so Canva. Alright, here, Canva. And then I will have my YouTube logo here. Okay, minimize it as easy as that, and then include my channel logo here. Okay, just put it up, and minimize it a bit. Okay, let's make it a bit more bigger and bigger for this one also. Okay, let's put it down here. No, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Okay, that's it. All right, so that's enough. Okay, so if you want to put some elements, you can try it here. Emoji, okay, balance pixels, okay, and many more. Okay, just play with the different tabs here. Alright, so I'm good with this thumbnail. Okay, this will be enough for me. Okay, so it's time for now to download it. So just click in here, download. Alright, so download. And then the suggested file format is PNG. Okay, because it will allow you to save it in high quality. You can also save it as a JPEG, but it's small file size image, meaning there will be a possibility that it will get blurred. Alright, so let's choose PNG and then download. As easy as that. Okay, so take note guys that whenever, okay, so save it, let's save it on my desktop and save. Okay, remember guys that if you used a premium element or premium photo during your editing, so upon download it will or Canva will prompt you to pay for each of the premium element that you used. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, this is it. All right. So this is now my YouTube thumbnail. So you're now ready to upload it to your YouTube channel. So alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like this video, check the subscribe button, and check out our other videos only here at TechRange.